Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word drawing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She spent hours working on her intricate drawing of a tree with a single leaf falling from its branches. In this context, drawing refers to the act of creating a picture or design by marking lines on a surface using a pen, pencil, or other tool. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.